Step outside on a cloudless afternoon, and before you even think about it, your facial muscles contract. Your eyes lock down against the blinding light. The immediate instinct is to reach for relief. Sliding on a pair of dark-tinted shades instantly relaxes those strained muscles, casting a comfortable shadow over your vision. But that comfortable shadow conceals a major physical hazard. If those dark lenses are missing a specific, entirely invisible filter, the tint alone leaves your eyes more vulnerable to radiation than if you hadn't worn anything at all. Curious, how exactly does a tool we buy specifically to protect our vision end up acting as the very mechanism that destroys it? A low-quality dark lens isn't a passive failure. It is an active threat that uses your body's natural reflexes to funnel radiation directly into your vision. To understand the trap, look closely at how the human eye naturally defends itself in a high-glare environment. In bright sunlight, your pupil automatically shrinks, blocking harmful radiation. An uncertified dark lens short-circuits this reflex. Your pupil dilates wide open, acting as a massive funnel for invisible UVA and UVB rays, making it mathematically more dangerous than no protection at all. By eliminating your instinct to squint, the cheap lens successfully disarms your body's only built-in defense. You are left with a direct, unobstructed pipeline for silent radiation damage. The immediate consequence of this trapped radiation is physical burning on the surface of the eye. This condition, called photokeratitis, is quite literally a sunburn of the cornea, causing sharp pain and temporary vision loss. Over time, this constant surface irritation provokes the eye into developing abnormal, fleshy growths over the white part of the eye, conditions commonly known as surfer's eye or pingicula. But the most severe degradation happens deep inside. As decades of UV radiation pool in the inner eye, the natural lens begins to cloud over, accelerating the formation of cataracts, a leading cause of blindness. That cumulative damage also strikes the retina, triggering macular degeneration and a permanent loss of central vision, while noticeably increasing the risk of rare eye-related cancers like ocular melanoma. The biological damage is severe, but the manufacturing quality of these budget lenses introduces entirely separate hazards. Cheap plastic is rarely cast perfectly, which results in warped optics and uneven tinting across the visual field. To compensate for looking through these distorted, wiggly lines, your ocular muscles have to work overtime to stitch the image together. This constant microcorrection leads directly to severe eye strain, dizziness, and intense headaches. Furthermore, these bargain plastics almost always lack polarization or anti-reflective coatings, meaning they do nothing to cut blinding glare off roads or water. And unlike high-quality polycarbonate lenses, the plastic itself is incredibly weak. A minor impact, a rogue tennis ball or a tripped fall, can easily cause these cheap lenses to shatter inward, turning a flimsy accessory into sharp shrapnel aimed directly at your eye. Wearing unverified budget sunglasses is a multi-tiered hazard. You are actively burning your cornea, permanently degrading your retina, and mounting a fragile shattering risk millimeters from your face. Navigating this hazard requires throwing out a common consumer assumption. A darker tint or a higher price tag does not guarantee actual protection. You don't need to visit an optometrist or spend hundreds of dollars to find safe eyewear. Everyday retail environments, like your local pharmacy, frequently stock fully protective options. Affordable, widely available brands like Foster Grant are specifically manufactured to include the necessary UV filters right on the rack. On the flip side, paying top dollar for an unverified designer knockoff from a street vendor leaves you just as vulnerable as wearing the cheapest unbranded plastic. The logo on the arm does not filter radiation. The only objective metric you can trust is a verifiable certification sticker. Without it, the cost and the brand name are entirely irrelevant. When you pick up a pair of glasses, look closely at the lens sticker or the attached tag. It must explicitly read 100% UV protection, or UV 400. Never trust a lens based solely on how dark it is. If you cannot verify that UV certification, leave them on the shelf. Your eyes are physically safer just squinting in the sun.